Hey everyone, welcome to another video, welcome to our Campervan, and welcome to Paul. Now, you'll have seen in previous videos that as part of our build, we are going to be getting a sort of like a shelf unit, if you like, that's going to come across here. We're going to put the fridge over here. We are going to put like a cupboard unit here and things. As we know, it's not we, Paul's the man for doing something like this. So we're just going to have a quick look, quick measure up and figure it out and get exact plans of what it is that we're doing as part of the build. Brooke's here now and Brooke's like saying, you know, let's get this done, let's get that done, so I don't know. Hey, so we've just had a delivery. Now, I've been waiting for this for a while and I'm going to show you what it is. I'm going to fit it now. Now I'll just quickly show you. When we removed our bulkhead, you can see that like there's a big piece of trim that's missing here. Apparently it doesn't come with the van if it's got a bulkhead in that. So we spoke to Volkswagen about it and they've sent us the trim, so we're going to get that fitted. So here we have it, and like I said, that's going to be going on there. But what we need to do is we need to remove this. Now there's just a simple clip that needs to be pushed in. I'll take a picture of it here and you just basically put something in, just push it a little bit and then this can slide off. So let's get that off. As you can see, this is the clip on the handbrake cover that you, just like I said, you just push something in there and that moves and then you can slide it off. So, right, let's just simply slide this on here, it goes in there. Right, the next job we're going to do is, we're fitting a dash cam. So, we've got this Viofo A229 dash cam, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it. Now, you have got a hardwire kit with this, but I'm not going to fit the hardwire kit today. I'm just going to like do it so that we can actually just plug it in. So I've been having a play around with this for a little bit, just with the settings and everything. And this is where the camera is going to go. Now, it actually sticks on there. It's got a rear view camera this as well, so I need to leave a little bit of room there to plug the cable in and then we can take the cable along there. That tape was stuck on there, so right, let's get this stuck on there. Right, I need to get that wire tucked in behind there, so I'm just going to take this trim tool off, move this, pull this out, and then I can get all that tucked away. You know what, that was easy fitting that, and that's me saying it, so it must be easy. Like I said, what I've done is I've wired it so that it, you know, works off the like USB, but you can get like a hard wire kit, but I'm not going to install that now because I don't know how to. So if you're interested in one of these cameras, I will put a link in the description for you. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yes, we're going over to AJC Conversions. I'm not going to show you what's on here, but we're having our kitchen designed. Well, we've designed it and we're going over to get everything sorted out because we are booked in to get it done. But first of all, let's go over there and get it all sorted. Right guys, we've been here for a good couple of hours. Here's the main man, Brandon. There's Thor, yeah, can't forget about Thor. But again, Brandon's been very, very helpful. We've got it sorted. Brandon, because he knows what he's talking about, has adjusted our plans of like what we'll do. What I'll do is, when we pick the van up, when we drop it off, I will show you what's been built and I'll show you the plans that I drew so you can like see that, you know, I designed it. He's finalised it, but obviously, yeah, it's pretty good. So, but really excited, aren't we? So, right, we're going to let Brandon carry on. We'll catch up with you guys in a minute. We're home now and we've made a few modifications. Like I said, when was it at AJC with the build? Do you know what, we're so excited because we've added some like little things on that we've not seen on other builds before. We're really excited to show you guys, so just yes, can't wait till we get our kitchen unit fitted in our VW Crafter Campervan. Yes. Morning. So it's the day after. Paul, everyone. We all need a Paul in our lives. So as part of the build, as you've seen in previous videos, we're doing some like modifications in the van where we're going to have like some shelf storage units and things. So what we're doing is we're going picking up the wood on this beautiful, glorious, sunny morning. So we'll catch you then. still on there. I can see outside. It's still on there. That's one job done now. All we need to do, you've heard it before, Paul, we're going to be doing this next week where we're going to be like getting some of the bits. We just wanted to get the bits so that we've got them, and then next week we're going to get on with it.
Weekends,
so yeah, but you know, he says he'll have it done in a day, so hopefully we'll have this done before the van meet. But you know what, when you see this video you'll know then, did we have it done by the van meet? So right, next job. We have a lot of deliveries that over the next few videos that we're going to show you guys, but one of the deliveries that we've got here, we're going to open this now because we're going to show you what this is, because this is going to be part of the video for what I've just been showing you. So when we put the shelving units and everything in the van, we've got some carpet because we're going to get it carpeted as well, so yes. So as you can see, we've got lots to do, really excited for all the different things that we've got coming up. Got a lot of travel coming up as well, so we're on it, guys. Go outdoors with one of the employees here, Steve, very knowledgeable, helpful guy here, going through all the different like things that we can do with gas. And this is why if you've seen all our videos, you know that we come to go outdoors all the time. So he's just been advising us about these different gas things, because you're saying it's quite hard to get like the big canisters these days.
At the moment, yes.
Yeah, so I'm guessing that's to do with like fuel prices and everything and all the...
Strangely, no. Calla are running out of bottles.
Right.
Because those of us with campervans or new to campervanning, there's suddenly so many extra campervans out there.
And everybody's right.
Demand.
Well, the good thing is we're going for the smaller one because we know how much gas that we use, and these are going to be ideal for us. And also at AJC, they're going to like build the kitchen like unit around the small gas can. So this is why we need to get this now. And obviously when we drop the van off, we're dropping them off. So can't come and go outdoors and not have a look at loads of clothes that you just don't need but that you want, can you? So this is how good go outdoors are. We have just been to the till to try and get the camping gas, and if you just see on there it says easy click. They just pointed out to me at the till. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Is that the ones that you want, because they do a screw-in one? So I've just tried and get AJC and said no, it's a screw-in one that we need. So I'm glad that got spotted. I can't seem to find any. So right, so big long story, we're back at AJC, and to be fair, Brandon did recommend that we get the big gas bottle at first, but we was like, no, well, if we get the smaller ones, you know, we'll have more room when we do the conversion and everything. But it's not worked out that way because it's really hard to get the smaller ones that are going to fit. So we're getting the bigger one that I'll show you in a minute, and then we're going to get exchanged, and basically when they do the conversion they're going to build around it. So that's why we're back at AJC. So we've got the camping gas exchange, so that's going to work really well for us. Now you might be thinking, you know, why didn't I just do this before? We've never had a campervan kitchen before, so you know, at least now, you know, if you're watching this and you're thinking, how do you get gas in there? Probably better to get a big canister. It's probably the easiest way to do it. So as you can see, we've got lots to do, lots more to come. So guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Until the next one, bye for now.